Hey guys, I'm making a 360 needle twist in color 613 for my client. So I'll be showing you guys how I did it. I'll use a matching thread and needle. I'll also use a full lace net, a full lace wig cap, and also a 360 in human hair in color 613. I have already adjusted this one because my client's head circumference is a 21 and these 360s usually come larger than that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach to the cap and show you guys where I'm going to stitch it. I already prepped my braiding hair, as you can see, and I'm going to drop a video on how I did that one. Next thing is there are two stages to doing 360 needle twist. We have the crochet part and we have the part where you twist on the human hair. So I'm just going to separate it now to show you guys what I mean and for you guys to also understand me better. The part in the bun is the crochet part and the other part is on the human hair, and then the white line you can see is my thread, how I stitch it. Now onto the crochet part. There are different sizes of crochet pins, but I'm going to be using the smallest one because I'm going to pass it through a net, a lace net, and I don't want to use the big one so it doesn't create holes. I also tease the braiding hair so it's easier to grab, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to do this. It doesn't matter the amount of hair I catch because the hair is already small, so I can't catch too many hairs using this crochet pin. And I'm going to do like 3 of it. The 3 is going to serve as an anchor for my twist. Now the next part, I'm going to start twisting. I have a video on how I twist, so maybe you can go through my old videos, but it's still the same thing. So I grab braiding hair, I make sure it's in the middle, I place it in the middle and making sure it's stable with my right hand, I twist the left one and just keep wrapping it around. But before you wrap around, always make sure that you twist each section of hair very well. Your twist, especially for these tiny ones, has to be strong or tight enough, not too tight. Because if it's not tight enough, you're going to have problems when you're trimming the hair, one, and secondly, your twists are going to lack definition. So it's very important that you twist as tightly as you can, but not too tight, if you get what I mean. If you make it too tight, you're also going to have very tight braids that might shrink when you dip it in hot water. So you want it to be at a good place. Now the next part is on the human hair. If you got the crochet part, this part is just the same thing. The only difference is that we had to create the anchor braiding hair on the crochet part, while on the 360 there is already human hair ventilated. So you're going to do basically the same thing. So at this point I'm like, okay, I'm getting somewhere. This is like 50% of the whole process because I'm going to twist each strand of this and then I'm going to trim and dip in hot water, which can take me like another 2 weeks or 3 depending on how busy I am. So I'm just going to show you guys how I twisted till I got to the tip. Always make sure that you pull tightly after whenever you're picking up any strand of hair, and just keep twisting the same thing. You know, we keep repeating. It's a repetitive process. Keep doing the same thing. When we get to the tip, there is something I'm going to do. You twist as much as you can till it's very little and you can't twist. Then what you do is that you grab two of them like so, and you just keep twisting two of them together, or like say rolling them together. You can also roll them between your palms if that would get the job done for you, but just keep rolling them together till it's sealed, and that's it. This is the final look. This is what inside looks like. I went ahead to add straps, adjustable straps, and this is what my adjustable straps look like. They have like 3 points where you can make it tighter or make them loose. I also fixed the baby hair. I've also trimmed the hair. I didn't add wig combs for this person. This is what it looks like on a mannequin. Don't mind me, I was just trying to be creative with my packing, but this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, stay safe. Bye.